Arvin, I'm not giving you a car. Arvin, sorry, pal. But no car giveaway. And when I do get my Aston Martin next year, which I hope I do, I don't know if I'm gonna, because like if you see the roads around here, they're pretty terrible. But probably for a lot of you guys, if you do live around me and I do get a cool car, if you think I'm not gonna go take a joyride with you guys, that's 100% going to happen. But again, team, welcome back to another stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good day so far. You guys saw some nasty price action on the put side of this. The Invictus alerts were absolutely gnarly today. Invictus is having a pretty solid day. I think my computer's glitching out a little bit though. Hold on. Right now I have Invictus 6 for 8, 75% on the day. Yep, pretty solid. The first few alerts of the day, Baba, QQQ, Neo, I mean, those were absolutely gnarly. We had a reverse on BBY, then another one that crossed, reversed on GME, crossed Meta, crossed on AA. So those were all really solid today, team. And again, since this is a public stream, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Let's do it, bro. Fucking Jesus. Look at the, I mean, again, Arvin, I also put you on my Instagram story just now. So, because I thought that was funny. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram too. I thought you had an intro. It was just an ad. I didn't do it. You guys don't have to, don't send in money if you don't want to. Don't watch the ads. Don't do any of that shit. Just make money in the market and we're good to go. What's good, SV? Send you a message on the Discord. No rush at all. Thanks for all you do. I'll take a look at that. I got to find it. The Discord messages always get out of whack, but oh, we got a lot of slackers on the like button today, huh? All right. Friday, and we just murder post to the downside with Invictus and everything. Nobody wants to like the damn video. All right. I see how it is. Asking me for a card. Won't even like the freaking video. All right. Should we do another ankles thing again today? Should we do it again? See if you guys can get there. I don't think so. All right, folks. So let's see what's going to happen going to the end of the day. Where's Tessie right now? Those Tesla puts, dude, were filthy. Gnarly, dude. So I ended up getting stopped out on here. I think it was. I think it was here I got stopped. Or maybe this candle I got stopped out on Tesla on. But my stop loss was 150% in profit. So do I really care? You're excited for an STV intro? I could probably craft one up for you guys. I've got some cool videos that I could probably use. I'm not really in a lot of them. It's just me doing dumb shit. You'll hit the like button for 150K in a car. You guys are just... How'd I make out on Tesla? 150%. So I scaled out at like 30 or 40% on them. And then I just started slowly moving the stops up throughout this entire move. I decided to have a little bit of fun with some dailies. It was a tiny percentage of my account. It was fun. I wanted to dick around a little bit. Instagram, I would use ankle fans. All right, bro. What was the expiration date? Yeah, they were 0 days. So sometimes when I've been having a good time, I like to play around with some 0 days. Very rarely. And when I do, it's, what do you call it? It's super small. You moved your stop loss on Tesla too aggressively, made 25% though. That's still solid, dude. All right, here's what we're going to do. Intro with the Rocky intro music. Okay, the problem is I might get like copyright struck. City looks nice. Thank you, Ivan. To me, it looks like dark, cold, rainy, and windy. But I'm trying to change up the background a little bit. It's darker out today, so it works a little bit better. All right, folks. So let's see here. As you making that beer money, it's tequila money, bro. Maybe I'll have a little tequila tonight. A little tequila Friday. We'll see. All right. But Tessie flatlined a little here. If it ends up breaking 150 later in the day, that's going to be real shitty for the market. But SPY's trying to pop back up here a little bit off of the more recent lows. Let's see, team. All right. Here's what we'll do. If by 145, you guys somehow run it up to 100 likes, we'll do ankles today. That's what we'll do. You have 11 minutes. You get an extra minute than you did yesterday, and you failed yesterday miserably. So we'll see what you guys can do. That's the bet for today. I guess we're going to just see. Now I just feel like a stupid internet hooker. Like, that's how I feel. SV working from his hedge fund office. Nah. Looking at AA, think there's a chance to run back to day low. Let's take a look. See, you guys ran it up quick yesterday, and you couldn't follow through at the very end. So you got 11 minutes to do it. I don't think you're going to be able to get there. Day low, 42.22. I would say that's a decent target. You're kind of at this chop zone right here, though. Here I go to market talk. Oh, boy, what are you going to do? Stop feeding their disorder. It is a disorder. I bought this $49 blue pill the other week from this Gabe guy, and I can't unsee the matrix now. What the fuck have you done to me? Dude, once you see the charts the way that we're kind of trying to help you guys see them, it's a different ball game. You watch the risk management videos, the stop loss video, the reversal videos, it just adds tools to the toolbox for you to be able to identify these trades every single day. Remember, it's not dependent on me, Gabe, anybody. It's an alert system, and you guys are able to execute and figure out where the charts are going to go on your own. That's what it's all about, man. The red pill line? Oh, yeah, we were talking about that the other day. Speaking of red pill, which it's not really red pill. You ever heard a Tate poem? You ever heard the Tate poems? They're really good. Internet hooker, isn't that what STV is? Yeah, pretty much. Let's see. Yeah, the poems are fire. Good morning, SV. Dude, yours and Gabe's content, mind-blowing. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm trying to step it up a little bit and make sure I feel a lot better bringing you guys content that's like it's more evergreen. You guys can always come back and watch them. Because at the same time, it's like I can't just talk about like Powell and all that shit all the time because yeah, we do that on the live streams a lot, but those risk management videos and the reversal videos are gonna help you guys out a whole lot. But let's see here. Oh fuck, you guys actually might get it. You're only 40 likes away from angles. Shit. Just a little advertising for this video and market talk. It all is all fuck. Damn it. I forgot about you guys doing all that nonsense. Why is the heat on in my apartment? It's costing me fucking money. Is Apple back to 140 next week out of range, just breaking levels to the downside? What's that right now? See, the thing is I would just do what the chart's telling you. Like, what is the 4-hour time frame tell you? You're right at support. So you could see a bounce, and the daily is going to paint you a little bit of a different picture here, but look at all this choppy nonsense. This is kind of leading into Powell and CPI. But I still am not swinging anything. In my opinion, it's not really the time for swings yet. You can if you want to. Remember how we talk about swing. That's the next video. Boom. All right, so I'll probably try and get this one out for you guys either this weekend or next week. It's risk management with swing trading. So the way that we've talked about it a lot here is there's two ways that you can swing trade and risk appropriately. The first is size it for zero. Because of how volatile the market is right now, sizing some of these swing trades for zero with a little bit less time to expiration, maybe 3 weeks out, 4 weeks out, is still falling within good risk management practice. Because if you're risking, let's say, 1% of your account on any given trade, and let's say you set a 50% stop loss on a trade that you only go in with 1% of your account with, well, technically you're only risking 0.5%. So that's the first way. It's to size it down in order to be able to either catch a big move or not. And you're still well within a nice, solid risk management framework. The second way is to go in with full size, according to the way that we like to talk about risk management, with 10% of your account, but you get way more time than you think you need in order to accomplish two things. One, it enables you to fully capitalize on the bulk of the move, like the whole move. So if you bought contracts 3 or 4 months out and the stock is going to continue trending lower over that time period, well, you're going to want to be able to have that exposure and the time on those contracts to be able to wait out that entire move to let it do what it's going to do. You can scale out and you can use the stop loss strategy on that time frame too, or on that amount of time to expiration, just because the contracts are going to move a little bit slower. You're probably not going to get screwed around with as much on those overnight gaps up and gaps down. And then the third, or the other reason is it makes everything a little bit less volatile, which is kind of what we were talking about just now as well. Fuck. All right. So you guys have 5 minutes to go to get it up to 100 likes. And then I have to show ankles. So it is what it is. I think I played myself with this one today. I think you guys are really excited about the gains you were making. It is going to get hot as shit in here. Holy fuck. You did 20% of the port, but tighten your stop. Exactly. Like, see, that's the thing. It's like, if you're starting to get a good grasp of the strategy and you understand what you're doing, you can mess around with risk a little bit, as long as you know your risk is the same on every single trade. There should be a threshold of risk. Like, let's say your account is 10 grand. You're going to risk $100 on a trade. So you could go into the trade with $100, size it for 0. You could go in with 200 and risk a 50% stop loss. You can go in with $1,000 and have a 10% stop loss. There's different ways to do it in balancing risk. So that's kind of what I did today on the Tesla trade. I didn't size it for 0, but I was sizing it appropriately so that I would say, okay, well, if it goes against me, it's not going to hurt me. But if it goes in my favor, I could be in for some pretty sweet gains. Invictus got you your 2% day on the portfolio. I'm out. Enjoy the day all. Awesome, Clayton. And remember, guys, you're kind of cutting it pretty close for this 3-week free trial here. Our platform is brand new. It is live right now. People are, you guys, I'm not even going to say it. Live chat people. What do you think of the new platform? I think it's awesome. And I think, here we go. I think that the people that tried to, hold on. I'll rephrase this in a second because I think this needs to be said because it's fun and I like talking shit. So the platform's awesome, but you guys all get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all of the alerts on all the different time frames. You get the learning videos, the live streams, a compounding interest calculator that gives you a schedule of exactly what you would need to make realistically per day in order to put yourself in the best position to have success, and unusual options activity with a crazy, crazy, crazy slate of things to come that we haven't necessarily told you guys about yet. So that 3-week free trial is up at the top of the live chat over there. Woo! You like the video with the Trade 1348 account getting close to ankles? See, that's cheating. You're fucking cheating over here. Platform is fire. Yeah, so it's pinned at the top of the live chat over here, but I will throw it in here as well. Again, next month, the free trial period goes down to 2 weeks. And also today is actually the last day to get lifetime at 1348. Tomorrow it's going up to 2700. But all the OGs, remember, you guys are going to get a code if you do ask to come back in at 1348. Shit. All right, we have 3 minutes. You guys have to not like the video. So love the new platform, 1348 alerts and options flow, better deal than unusual whales. Arvin, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. The new platform makes your pants move, all caps. Oh my God. You had to make things sexual, huh? All right, so I'm going to stay quiet for the next 3 minutes because I don't think you guys are going to get it on the likes. I don't think you're going to get it. It's not cheating. It's synthetic likes. Yeah. Bots and alerts are cool, but teaching and strategies are pure gold. Thank you, Tabasco Dave. I joined for the memes, but stayed for the fire alerts. Tabasco Dave, there you go. You could be a good auctioneer. I could. Sometimes I just get cracked out, you know? Fuck, you guys are going to do it. Shit. Damn it. You have 3 minutes. Like, there's no way you're not going to do it now. Fuck. I played myself with this one. Damn it. I gave you guys an extra minute, and look what happens. From alert to chart in seconds. Yeah. You joined for the ankles. I know you did. Actually, you're cutting it pretty close here. You got 2 minutes. All right, folks. Let's see where the market wants to go. Fuck. Shit. End of the day rally? Maybe, but we'll see. I don't think they're going to be able to get it back above 390. So, again, I was thinking to myself, I was like, I don't think they're going to let it close below 390. But apparently, I mean, again, when you think about it, I was just thinking about that in terms of like where institutional money was going. Fuck. Damn it. Shit. Oh, no. You guys got it. Damn it. Market talk advertising for the win. Oh, shit. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. All right. I'm going to see how much you guys can actually beat it by. But all right. A deal's a deal. Full screen. Yep. Oh, we got the Trade 1348 account over here doing the, you guys. Full screen. I will do it full screen. I will. Don't worry. Going back on your word? No. You guys just have another minute to go. So you can keep running it up. And then just like, now it's just the consolation prize. It better not smell. I don't know, bro. Just in time. You guys. All right. You got a minute left. Then I'll do it. Then we're done. No more ankles. Don't short us on the ankles. Don't worry. I got you guys. I got you. Don't worry. Now I get to be STV the foot model today. Ha. He's going to call Kenny in short ladder. Tap the like button. Yeah. You should start wearing fun socks if you're going to make bets like that. Nah, we're sockless over here. I'll be honest, I don't really want to see another man's ankles. Thanks, Topic. At least you're a normal one. All right, here we go. Ready? Okay. Let's see. Ready? Here you go. There you go, team. Everybody happy now? Are you happy now? Okay. Let's get back to being serious. All right. Get your free trials. Get the All right. Weirdos. Dude, it's snowing? No, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. You guys fucking. It's all in good fun. No, it's just raining. It's not cold enough. It's windy as shit, though. Do you say ankle or ankles? Nah, maybe we'll auction off both of them next time. Dude, I close my eyes. What the hell of a stream did I just join? Sorry. If you don't know, now you do. It's a running joke around here that they always try to get me to show my ankles, and it is what it is, bro. So here we are. Welcome everybody. Definitely want your like back. What, do you not like it? I'm selling it on the internet. Dude, this joke went so far that my ankles actually have a fucking OnlyFans. That almost gets me off as much as hearing NVIDIA. Fuck you guys. You guys are weird as shit. That takes you back. Yeah, we had to do a little bit of a throwback. All right, guys. So again, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button. Okay. All right. So let's see who we're going to get. You literally logged in just as the foot came off. Whatever. I know what I signed up for. All right, man. Is it all over Market Talk? Fuck, come on, bro. Come on, dude. No. This is why I joined the group. Oh, man. All right. Well, now you're making me feel like a hoe. What are the odds we get an afternoon run? I think it's possible, but we'll see. You need to get above, what's this? 382.50. That was kind of the level we were watching earlier. Invictus is at 80%. They're going on Twitter in a few minutes too. Fuck. Shit. So I swear to God, if you guys start running up my Twitter with this is all right. We might have to stop the ankle nonsense. Robot. All right. You guys are asking about Roblox. Yeah, let's get that up. Roblox. What do we got here? Yeah, no, I don't like this. Unless it gets above VWAP mounts, gets an Invictus alert, and the market really looks good going into the end of the day, I'd probably say no. I also know for a fact that a lot of you guys have had the trading week of the year. So I would say I wouldn't push it. But again, it's all about risk management. If you know exactly where your risk is and you watch the risk management video from yesterday and actually learned from it, then you know exactly what to do. So we'll see here. TikTok famous? Dude, I'm like already mildly TikTok famous. I got 30 followers on TikTok and I haven't posted a damn video yet. That's coming Monday. Coin. We paid good money for these ankles. Keep it in Market Talk. Okay. All right, folks. Oh, Coin actually looks good here. Is that another Invictus? Yeah, Coin Invictus at 137. So let's throw this on the 1 minute and go back to the 137 candle. See where this thing came out. This one right here. So a little drop to VWAP and then right back up here. That's not bad. So what price was this alerted at? 35.84. How? Oh, it's got to be this one. No. Let's see. Yeah, maybe back down here. Still looking solid, though. I'm going to have to tweak the timestamps a little bit, but We need the I can't believe you've done this button. Yeah. Didn't the US ban TikTok? No. They banned it on government phones. That's fake. Oh, shit. No, you didn't. All right, cool. I thought you guys were going on Twitter with the ankles. Roku analysis, sir? Yeah, I got you guys. That doesn't look bad. The thing is that, like, again, just like we talk about all the time, if you have a call below the 200 EMA, you're looking at a quick scalp, right to a level. Whereas the level, probably right around the 200 here. And you could look at this too for 46.57. 68% of options are now bearish. That's when they flip the market back to the upside. And maybe, but done for the day. Exited my month out Tesla put in your weekly SPY put portfolio, up 39% on the day and 77% on the week. Don't get greedy. Take profits when you make profits. Holy shit, Malachi. That is awesome. That is unbelievable, dude. Yeah, guys. I mean, the strategy and it's again, you guys, the best part about this is it's not us. We're not like, it's not like, oh yeah, like it's just education and having you guys set yourself up for success. I love seeing you guys win, man. And with what we have coming, there's going to be a lot more of you guys winning too. I love it, man. And if you are still struggling, we are always here to help with strategy. Watch the risk management video, watch the reversal video, the stop loss strategy. Everything is out there for you guys. Disney. Oh, you guys are cracked out on tickers right now, huh? All right, let's see. You seriously undervalue the time and knowledge we get from you daily. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Fuck. You actually better put these on Twitter. Okay, no good. You're up 5.5% in your portfolio for the day and done trading. Winning loser. Awesome. Awesome, man. All right, let's see what we're going to get over here. So yeah, SPY slipping. I don't trust much here. Yeah, the trending days are fun. That Tesla put was just filthy. All right. What's hold on, let me pull up Invictus over here. 80. Wow, 80% on Invictus right now. Oops. Let's see. 80% on Invictus. Wow. Yeah, so this is new platform, guys. For those of you guys that haven't seen it yet, 3-minute predictive daily, 4-hour daily, Trader Joe, Pythagoras. Let's see how Joe's doing today. Joe's up 17%. Let's take a look at a couple of his positions over here. He's short, cost basis. So he's slightly red on this one. Long this one. A little bit red. Let's see. Let's see what Joe wants to do today. And then let's see. Oh, this is really cool here too, guys. If you haven't seen this yet, if you're looking at, let's say you have $10,000 is what you're starting with. You want to earn 1% a day. You think that's a realistic amount, which honestly is pretty solid with options trading. You're not going to hit it every single day. Again, you're going to have red days. You're going to have some bigger days, but averaging out at 1% per day. Let's see here. It's going to take you 463 trading days in order to get to $1 million if you're just aiming for 1% a day. And here's what it also does. It gives you the earnings schedule, meaning that you can download this file right here and then have a goal every single day. Let's see what happens. So this is the number of trading days. So after 50 trading days, you're aiming to make $162 a day. Let's go to 80. Let's see. Let's see. This is probably 100 right here. Yep. So after it skips 109. That's kind of interesting. But after like the 100th, 110th, oh wait, no, sorry. I'm a dumbass. Let me go back here. The 100, it doesn't skip anything. I'm just stupid. The 100th trading day, you're making $267 a day. $200th trading day, $724 a day. And your total value of your account, $73,000. Just by aiming for 1% compounded a day. Keep your goals small, stack those base hits, and you are good to go. But again, remember, everybody has access to that 3-week free trial right now. Next month, it drops down to 2. You're a day and a half ahead of your schedule. Lofty, that's fucking awesome. Tesla appears like it wants to try the 150 again. I'm out for the day just watching. Yeah, we can take a look. I mean, again, I'd just be getting killed by theta right now if I was in these Teslas. Would I probably be up over 150%? Maybe, probably, because I had the 153.33s on Tesla today. So I probably still would have been fine on these. But I mean, this would 100% stop me out here. Your ankles are not. God damn it. Oh no. Oh shit. All right. Sorry, Mom. Hold on. I'll throw the link to it. Make sure you guys are following Trade 1348 on Twitter. God, there's the link. Fuck. Sorry, Mom. Where's that calculator you just reviewed from? Our platform. And it's just on the bottom left here under tools. Or not, I mean, it's technically in the middle, but it's right under tools here. That calculator is amazing. I put 100 into a play around account 21 days ago. I'm on day 35 profit. Around 500 notes are wow. Topic. There you go. This video's fucking hilarious. I'll retweet it. Fuck it. Talk about having skin in the game. Diana coming to the SME's defense and market talk. What did I do? For real? Guys, it keeps it fun. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's not serious. All right. Ooh, Tessie, little slippity slip here. If it slips 150, that could get interesting. You put it up to 5% a day? That's a bit crazy. 5% a day is not realistic. 1% is aggressive as well. Was that daily percentage calculator something for your website or just from the internet? No. That's from our platform. Do you need to do anything with Patreon or will they keep billing you? They will keep billing you if you're not on. If you're on platform, you signed up with the free trial, and you've reconnected your account, your platform account with Discord, you should then go ahead and cancel your Patreon account because it will keep charging you. Diana. Oh man, this is fun. The NCLH predictive cross daily. Oh yeah, that one was nasty. When did this get alerted, Astro? When did that get alerted? Because you can see the predictive right here coming through, and then it just tanks, dude. Where did we say this was gonna go? Were we talking about upper? Like I thought this was what was it? I remember like 1380. I think that's 1360. Yeah, I remember looking at 1380 for the potential downside on this thing. 1362, maybe 20 cents difference. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's have some fun. How do you get the percentage screen on Webull? You click on your position, you click the little circly arrow thing in the top right, and then it brings it to you. Let's see. Train to win. Is it going to make you any money? Probably not. It alerted it at $15.88. You got $1.50, a little more on that move. Jeez. So I think Avatar will pump AMC a bit, maybe, but probably nothing like meaningful that people are actually going to be able to realize some solid gains on. Depends on how good the numbers are. Let's see. Been scalping SPY on the minute for the last hour. Oh, God. Relax, bro. Oh, Diana. Holy shit. There you go. Will SPY bounce? I have no idea. I have no idea. The chart's not really telling. The chart right now is telling me flatline with the potential for a big move later in the day. Tesla too. Well, I murdered Tesla today, which was nice. That was a fun one. Yeah, Astro, that NCLH was dirty. Yeah, Pythagoras. Again, guys, we have stuff for the 9 to 5 people that can't necessarily sit at the charts all day long. We've got stuff for the day traders. We got all the curriculum videos across the board. And guys, you get 3 weeks for free. So if you don't like it, you can just cancel. Let's see how. Yeah, and again, a 9,918% return with, and this is, see, here's what I want you guys to realize here with this compounding interest calculator, and this is why I want everybody to listen up here. This is why I'm so like against trying to chase moon tickets. Like, yeah, you can take some risk on a trade, but like full pour all into the, no, you can't be doing that. Anytime that you're going to be putting money into something, you have to have some sort of risk management. Now, I know a lot of you guys do, so I'm not talking to you guys. I'm just saying in general, what makes more logical sense and what's the path of least resistance to growing your account? That's what we're talking about here. It's not like a nonsense, like, oh, it's what is the path of least resistance? How are you going to set yourself up in the best, easiest, psychologically easiest, the easiest way to implement your discipline and risk management skills to actually have success? Lifetime already paid for itself. Awesome, man. I am a newbie and signed up yesterday. What an amazing amount of great information. Most of it's over my head, but the videos help out tremendously. Tiki, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to message us. We are always here to help. But this is the thing. It's like, again, if you just said, and this is why, like, and this is where the math comes from. 1% a day. What do you need to do in order to get 1% of your account per day? You need a 10% allocation that goes up 10%. Or that's all you need. Or 2 10% allocations that go up 5%, or 1 5% allocation that goes up 20%. In the world of options, with proper risk management, it is not out of the question that you can do that. But if you then start to take on more risk, trying to hit 3, 5, 10% on your account in a day, you're more risk or the higher potential for a reward is always going to come with more risk. Always, 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 always. So the swings in your account are going to be a lot larger. But if you just did 1% on your account for like a year and a half, 2 years, and that's why when people come in and they talk about their penny stock or a moon, it's like you're trying to do it in one play. What's the path of least resistance? It's slow compounding gains. 73% on Invictus right now, 8 for 11 on the crosses. Very solid. 2 active plays right now. Let's see what we're going to get on this thing. Your lifetime will have paid for itself after this month's covered calls expire. Awesome, Clayton. But I hope that makes sense to you guys. And I know a lot of you guys have changed your thinking and approach to the market in general. And I love to see it. And you see it reflected in your portfolios. It's take less risk, get your base hits and go. None of this other like nonsense, guys. And you just saw what happened with that group of people that was pumping stocks. And most people, like most of the time when you see things get hyped up, it's like, you got to be a little careful. Let's see. Why does the yellow go up to 2M? Let's look. The scale is wrong. If you go on this, it says 1 million here, but the scale on the left is a little bit messed up. It's just the scale. So we'll have to fix that. Andy, if you're in here, Casa moving again, that's one of them. So why are we messing around with that? You got to do things. Enjoy your weekend, SV. Thank you for all you and the team do. Pepe, no problem, buddy. Have a great weekend. You guys might have your affiliate soon. Do I like the Disney play? What's the Disney play? Is it up? Yeah. In falling lemmings. So there's a rule around here now that I've implemented as of yesterday, and I don't really like this Disney play at the current time. You again, if you watch the risk management video from yesterday, you should have a decent idea of where to put your risk. We went over the examples with the 200 EMAs with the replay feature. If you guys haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you watch that one. That's probably one of, if not the most helpful trading video that I've ever made. So I don't really like this Disney setup right here. Is the $49 offer still available? If so, how do you get it? That is only for our existing members that were in on Patreon. We've let it slip out a few times. If you can sneak through the cracks and get it, there's nothing we can do about it. If you're already an existing member, the code is floating around in our Discord community right now. The yellow bar should be behind the blue, not on top. Yeah, I think it's adding the 2. It's okay. We can fix that. That should be an easy fix. Let's hear. Dude, you guys are murdering the like button today. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you. We're 20 away from 150. Love it. But Dustin, either way, you get that 3-week free trial. Let's see here. Netflix crossing on the 5. Let's see. Oh, whoa. Hello. I mean, you've... Yeah, it is, but was that an Invictus? No. After the affiliates, you know? Yeah. They're going for round 2 on ankles. We're not doing round 2 on ankles. They're already out there. Asked Tabasco about his portfolio today. Oh, I know. I know what Tabasco Dave did today. Let's see. Yeah, Arvind, I put you on my fucking Instagram story too. All right, let's see. Let's have some fun, man. It's a Friday. I actually today could go one of 2 ways. Let's see. You saw? Do you think the SPY has momentum to cross on the 3 and carry to the upside? Yeah, that 382.50 is going to be a fucker. How many lifers do we have? We have a bunch. Yeah, Rich, we should probably put this rule somewhere, but any mentions of penny stocks, we're going to be putting people in timeout. You're a lifer? Josh Doe, we appreciate you, man. Yeah, everybody, remember, today's the last day to get in at Lifetime. If you were already going to do it anyway, guys. If you weren't planning on already doing Lifetime, you don't have to. It's always going to be there for all of the OGs, which we know who they are. We have the list. So you guys will always be able to get that code. But after today, Lifetime's going up. Let's see here. Lifetime well worth it. Manny, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm watching 382.50 to kind of see what we're going to get, but we'll see. We'll see. Anything useful on Twitter over here? I know I was seeing your gains all over the place today, guys. Jesus. Let's see. Well, Christian, I'm not gonna say the exact amount of people, but think about it like this: if we have looked at the data and said that we have way underpriced ourselves, um, it's a lot of people that wanted to come in and get lifetime. So meet again. We'll let you know if we're gonna close that down. But we have some special benefits coming for you guys in lifetime too. Nvidia's trying to hunt up a little bit here. We have way too many lifetimes. Ivan, shh. All right, let's see. Roblox breaking out. Let's see. You guys like that one? Oh yeah, that flat line, dude. I didn't like this choppy bullshit here. Yeah, that one ended up playing out nicely for you. Was that an Invictus? I thought it was. Oh no, just kidding. You guys just liked Roblox there. So Invictus right now, 9 for 12 on the day, 75% success rate. Killing it, man. Absolutely killing it. Let's see here. All right. There goes Spy to 382.50. There it is right there. Yep, Spy's moving here. Roblox should get a nice little. Nah. I mean, what were we saying on Roblox? If was this the one that we were looking at the level? We were like, oh, calls under the 200, quick scalp. This was crossing up. I think that was the one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Roblox was the one we were looking at for that one. Nancy coming back up to VWAP a little bit. The code is ankles49. No, that's not it. Jack, no, I don't. I made my thoughts very, very clear about the whole situation after Ape came out. I tried to lay out all the information for you guys to make your own decisions. In my opinion, after that, it's been a complete disaster. So kind of is what it is. Bad day for you. You only made 2%, Christopher. That's like the craziest thing I've ever heard. But good to see you back in here, man. If you're willing to learn and really learn about the market and trading and everything, perfectly fine to stay. Apple down now. What? Apple's moving back up a little bit here, Wayne. Spy couldn't hold above 382.50. I noticed DM Ohio loves TQQQ. What makes it so different over Spy? It doesn't. What do you call it? It's not. It could just be his personal preference. Like AMD and Nvidia move together most of the time. I just personally like Nvidia over trading AMD. So TQQQ is 3 times levered, so things can move around a little bit. Maybe he likes the premiums better. Maybe he likes it just depends. It's cheaper. Yeah, but at the same time, the reason why I'm saying it in the way I am is that DM Ohio doesn't need to be going for anything that's cheaper. The dude's a monster. Moves smoother. Okay, that's fine. When you can buy more contracts, Daily Taylor, it doesn't necessarily mean it's lower risk. It's the same risk. The contracts will still move. All right, Spy's hunting a little bit here. Let's see if it gets this close about 283.50. You could, I mean, it's, I will be staying. Jack, appreciate that, buddy. Oh, my whole shit is glitching out over here. Made like 12% yesterday and 14% Wednesday. Thanks to Invictus. He's your boy, Christopher. That is awesome. Guys, you can all get it for free for 3 weeks. I don't know. I don't know what you're doing. Let's see. Two reasons why they may be preferable. Yeah, that's true. All right, team. Spy's looking for it. My computer is going to glitch out in this afternoon. That's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Oh, that's a closing candle below 382 or above 382.50. Let's see if it holds. If this holds, you might see a run up to VWAP. That's going to be the next level there. I'd want to start with 3,000. I only make $30 a day in the beginning based on the 1% rule. Yes. And that's always learning, always saving. Yes, exactly. Now I'll type this in for the calculator for you right now. And I'll give you how many days. How many days it's going to take you? 3 grand? Hold on. Let's do this right now. Always learning, always saving. What would be an amount that you'd be comfortable with having in your account? And then I'm going to show you something really cool. So let's see. Like, just throw out a number. What would you be happy with having in your trading account? Like a nice number. Let's say 50K. Cool. And this is just math. So there's 252 trading days in a year. So it would take you about a year and a month and a half to get you to 50K. And you only need to start by aiming for making $30 a day. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Okay, so after that first year, and this is how I want people to think about this. Like, I don't like, again, you guys can do whatever you want at the end of the day. It's your money. All I'm here to do is try to give you guys the most up-to-date and accurate information so that you guys can make smart decisions in the market. Jesus, I've been way over risking. Exactly. That's exactly what people are fucking up on. It's risk management. It's not the strategy. We all know the strategy works. It's been studied. There's studies out there about the 1348 EMA crossover being the most successful, but it comes down to risk management and discipline. Okay, so let's see here. You're looking at for those 1% days. Okay, so now you're at 50. So now here's what we're going to do. See if it'll let me do a 0.5%. No, it won't let me do a 0.5. So it won't let me do less than 1. Well, let me do 1 divided by 2. Nope. So then if let's just say you were doing 1 with 50 and you wanted to see how long it would take you to get to 150, you're like 15 days or 111 trading days. So about half of the year for a 200% gain. So you go from 50 to 150, you make 100 grand. Type 0.5, it won't let me do it. 0.5, let me do it. But see, this is what and again, this is where it comes from when people come in here. Oh, put a 0 in front of the decimal point. Is that why it's fucking me up? Ah, there we go. So now it's 0.5%. Now, how long does it take you? Another year. Then you aim for 0.5%. You're making 250 a day. 0.5% on your account. That means with a 10% allocation, you're making 5% on that trade. It's just math. Now, here's then when it becomes a little bit interesting. And if you guys want to go mess around with the platform too, remember, that's all there for you guys. I'll throw the link in the live chat here for you guys as well. Now, are you going to be able to hit 1% every single day? And is that going to be that smooth? No, it's not. It's not going to. But here's what looking at trading like this does for you. It makes you more conservative. It forces you to take on less risk. So when you're taking on less risk and pinpointing exactly where you want to go, you become smarter with where you're putting your money because you're not looking for these giant gains. Because according to all of those compounding interest calculators right there, what does it tell you? You don't need them. You don't need them. You just don't. And well, no, you guys fixed it. I just have to type in 0 point. So hopefully that makes sense to everybody. And when people come in here and are like, oh, I want this stock to go to some crazy thing, it's like, why the fuck are you thinking like that? Why? What's the point? You don't need it. So hopefully you guys see that, especially with Invictus, Pythagoras, all those tools that we provide you guys, the education. We're just going to keep going, man. Less stress too? Exactly. A lot less stress. Delayed gratification wins the day every time. Yep. 68% of options are now bearish. That's when they flip the market. That's the second time I've heard that. So, and it was word for word. So I'm going to say bullshit. You're showing us all the wins. What about the losses? That's what I just said. That's what I just talked about, K Robinson. Is it realistic? See, and this is why, and you just haven't, it hasn't clicked for you yet. Okay. So I'll phrase it like this. If you're aiming for these quick gains, it makes you more conservative and you're taking on less risk. So having this as your goal, let's say you hit 1% on your account. You stop, you're done. But let's say you didn't and you're taking on more risk because you think you need to get up to 5 or 10% of your account in a day to make you feel good. Okay. So then you take a big loss, you're in the red. But you could have just locked in the 1% day and said, fuck it, I'm going to come back tomorrow and do the same thing. I don't need to do that every single day. It's about mindset. It doesn't have anything to do with the actual number. It's like, I'm not talking about wins, losses, or anything. I'm talking about goals, psychology, and discipline. This is where people fuck up on trading constantly. I don't give a shit what the numbers are. It's just math. And it's setting yourself up in a goal and going to the path of least resistance. Because if you don't, what happens? You start chasing. And you start taking on more risk than you actually need to. Are you going to hit 1% a day on your account? No, absolutely not. Some days you're going to have giant gains. Some days you're going to have losses. It is what it is. It's going to happen. But having this goal in mind, it basically creates bumpers for you. You're saying, nope, I'm just going to stay within my range here. And I know when to step away from the screens. That's what it is. People think all of the time that a lot of trading is having this secret fancy system that's going to generate them returns. There's no 100% system out there. It doesn't exist. Unless you're, one of those pumping assholes. But that does so what it really comes down to is emotional intelligence and discipline. Remember, Rashad, get that fucking bullshit out of my live chat. Wow. Moonbound got that quick. Sorry. I really went hard on that one. Let's see. Away today, we'd love to have you back, man. But that's what it is. It's not like, this isn't me saying I don't want that to be the message that you guys are hearing here come with us, make 1% a day and you'll get to this number. That's not what I'm saying. I'm trying to ingrain into you guys a goal, a realistic goal going into the market that's going to enable you to put the power of compounding on your side. And it's like, I could put in a number that's like $100. It doesn't matter. But when you think about it in terms of math over the long run, your trading decisions are going different. You're going to say, okay, I'll get more time on my contracts. I'll size down a little bit. I'll take less risk. I'm not going to let this trade run down to a 25% loss. What did I close my Tesla puts at? 150%. Let's see. In the more you start to follow that type of thinking, the more success you're going to have. Bill, also, fuck off. Get that bullshit out of my live chat with your stupid fucking penny stocks. You're just hurting people. Probabilities over guarantees. Yes. If I see anybody that talks about Qasim now is getting an auto ban. We're not doing that shit. We've timed out a few of them. The new rule is if you talk about that one now, ban. So that's the rule. Ooh, we're 7 likes away from 150. There we go. That was some great information. I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, and remember, you guys can go screw around with the calculator. Invictus, the 3-minute, Trader Joe, Pythagoras, daily crosses, the unusual options activity, which is over here. Let's see right here. Apple, you see all of the unusual options activity coming in through here, which is really cool. We're going to have some cool videos coming out about how to use the unusual stuff very, very, very soon. So get ready for that. But again, you guys all have the access to it for 3 weeks for free, completely free. Don't get me wrong. I like the live streams, but it's nice knowing that I've learned the system. I don't need the live streams to trade successfully. That's what we want. We don't want you guys dependent on us at all. Zero. We don't want that. There's a couple of different reasons for that, but that's not what we want. We want to teach you guys. And then if you need help with something, come and ask. But it's not like I'm going to say I'm getting in here and then you sell here, you make money, you don't learn anything. I will never do that. Let's see. All right. What tickers are we looking at here, team? Everybody just start throwing out tickers. Don't do penny stocks though, because I will ban you. All right, let's see. What's the Fed watch tool saying right now? 74% for a 25 basis point rate hike in February. Jesus, man. All right, let's check Twitter really quick. Baba on the daily. Look at these levels. Thank you. All right, let's see here. That's fizzling a little bit. The daily, I don't really like to look to play reversals with. With the 4 hour, I might. Let's see how this looks. It's so choppy and it gaps all over the place, man. Do you think the housing market dies before February? I think it'll come down. I don't think it'll die. My learning lesson for the day, it's great to set stop losses, but I've now learned not to set it too close. What's my typical percentage trail? Marky Mark, it's not necessarily a percentage. And I mess with it too. Like I don't do it the same way every time with the stop loss strategy. Usually when I have enough time on my contracts okay, let's say 50 to $30 a contract is usually where I set my stop in profit. So like let's just say for example that the contract is trading at $500 and I'm already up. I would probably set a stop between in profit. That's what we'd be assuming here. Between 450 and 470. TLT. Oh yeah, I got to make the new TLT video for you guys. With what Powell said, I think it's going to get delayed a little bit, but we'll see. I mean, that's on the 4 hour here for TLT. We don't really need that, but it's on the 1 minute. That looks like a 1 minute chart here. Jesus. Yeah, I know. I got to charge my fucking mouse. I understand. Oops, sorry. TLT play is going to be cooking for a good number of months. It may not even come next year. It's just a thesis. And again, this is why I said I'm not touching it yet, because you don't know what Powell's going to say or what's going to happen in that time period. You just don't know. It's hard to break bad habits. Dimmelson, you got to really, that's the toughest part of trading. It's emotion and discipline. The only reason I asked is that a 25 hike will not happen if the housing market crashes. I still think they're doing a 25. He has to stay the course for now. Why is that up right here? All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see. Invictus bullish dropping like 8 plays. Let's see what happens with it. Again, remember, I don't like trading at this time of the day. Unless it's a reversal, I usually am not touching it. This is usually when Invictus starts to falter a little bit. Oh, we got another one. Nope. Get your penny stocks out of here. SPY Invictus? How is there a... Hold on. Yeah, it's 75% right now. Wow, it just went fucking crazy. Holy shit. Wow, Invictus just went nuts. Oh, Invictus really went for it there. UVXY to 0? No. Let's see. SPY Invictus make no sense. And when it was up here, it did. But when did that come through? Yeah, that one doesn't make that much sense. Again, that's the thing, guys. You got to be able to identify when they don't make sense. You can't just willy-nilly go trade everything that Invictus is saying. For beginners, how much time do you want on your contracts? If you're day trading, I'd say at least 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks. Slows it down a lot. Dude, this weather today is so shitty, bro. So shitty. Just called SPY dead? Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see. All right. Come on. Let's see here. No. Oh, ARK Invest has been concerned the impact of declining residual values on the $1 trillion auto loan market. Most of these loans back gas-powered vehicles. The consumer preference shift towards EVs will exacerbate this crisis. Oh, and Elon's responding. Jesus. That's interesting. Can you use your Fidelity account? I don't think a lot of our members are trading with Fidelity. I believe you can, but that platform, personally, I don't think is built for active trade, like quick in and out trading. A lot of people are using interactive brokers, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, Webull. What else? I know some of you guys still use Robinhood as well. Let's see. Wayne, I think you're getting hopium-y again over here. I don't know. I mean, it is getting lower right here. You are seeing it sell off, but like it's already made how big of a move from the high? Almost $4 or $5. Careful. People use Moo. Yeah. Let's see. Amazon day lows. Let's see. Yep, slipping. Fidelity is okay with Active Trader Pro. Yeah, I don't have a Fidelity account, so I wouldn't know. RCL, you like it on the longer time frames? Let's look. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. I mean, I'm guessing that's got a Pythagoras coming if it hasn't already. 4 hour looks pretty good. I don't hate that. Powell interview? Where? Where's Powell getting interviewed? Hold on. Dr. Green Thumb, where's that, buddy? Check CCL too, I guess. Well, if they're all getting hit, then it would make sense that they'd all have similar charts. Like if you throw this on like the daily here and you look at it like this, well, and then you type CCL, it's pretty similar. It's just in different spots in relation to the 200. Powell? Is he? I don't think he's. I don't know what he's doing. It wasn't on the list of anything today. Powell. Yeah, I don't see that anywhere. Somebody shoot me a link to the actual stream, like the actual where they're streaming Powell from, because I don't see it. Why do you stay away from afternoon trading? I just like the mornings better. The only things that I'm going to be touching in the afternoon are reversals with good risk management. Because everything else, the volumes kind of died down. The moves usually happen. The bulk of the moves usually happen in the morning. Yeah, the TradingView phone app, I don't like. I remember that. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. I don't actually think Powell's streaming or Powell's live anywhere. If he is, it should be really simple to shoot me a DM on Twitter and just send me the link. Let's see. Because I don't see it anywhere. You guys are awesome. I'm glad I found this community. Tiki, we're glad you found us too. Let's see here. Oh, Gary? Yeah, I don't really care about that. Yeah, I don't really care. Is he going to make us money right now? No. Is he going to do anything that's going to make us money? No. So. Let's see. Let's see here. Can you explain how small caps, stock pump and dump screw the average retail investor on buying shares and options? Yes. Here's why. Let's say that you have a stock with a market cap of 2 mil, which is what they were doing. They would buy up a significant portion of the float. So they're like, and what they would do is that they would then alert to their trading communities that they have bought and they think it's going to continue to go up. As soon as they start seeing those buys hit the tape and price go up, they're just meeting the sell orders and they're just selling into them. It's called front loading. So what you're doing is you're literally just becoming exit liquidity with no real understanding of why this company should go up or down. That's why it's bad. When are you starting a hedge fund? Probably never. Always learning, always saving. You can do whatever you want. I personally don't think that's the best idea, but it's your money. You can do whatever you want with it. 189 likes 30? I see 159. I don't know where you guys are hiding these other 30 from. Or Moniker, what's up, buddy? How you doing? But I have all this margin for you to play with. You're asking me for car giveaways, margin. Arvin, you're really getting after it today, huh, pal? Let's see. Let's see here. Have I officially moved on to bigger and safer things? Oh yeah, 100%, dude. I don't. Yeah, after Ape and I told everybody about it, and then everybody said fuck you, and I was like, yeah, okay, well let's see who gets. I tried to help, so I don't. I'm not even really going to talk about it anymore. There's probably not going to be any more rants about it for me. Like I just don't. It is what it is, man. It sucks that that's what ended up happening with Ape, but that was the last straw. For me, that was not even close to a pounce. It was literal theft by AMC to do that. So basically the front runners are buying low and selling high. Yeah. But they're artificially pumping it so that it goes high and they can sell. That's what they were doing. And this is why, like, when we say, like, you get what you pay for, and Gabe and I were talking about this for a while. It's like, if those free communities out there, a lot, you can do it with options too. That's one of the other reasons why you will never hear me say, I'm getting this contract, this expiration date, this strike. And I used to, guys, nothing's ever changed. We've always been like that. Like, remember when I had like 3,000 or 5,000 people watching me? I'd only say what I did well after. Like, it's all about strategy. Even though I told you of my overall awesome gains today and on the week, must admit, I messed up by breaking my don't trade on flat Thursdays. Yeah. It was theft. Yeah, exactly. And that's what always learning, always saving. That's what I tried to explain to people. I was like, they did this. Now it's dilutable. And if it doesn't work, it's going to tank. So, and then there were people that were saying that it was going to go to fucking 80, like a complete, absolute, utter moron. And then everybody lost more money. And then even way back, you were like, am I going to keep buying it? And I'm like, no, I'm not. Like, I've put as much money as I wanted to allocate into there. It's all about risk management. Let's see. And then they only raised 30 million from it. Like, that's so pathetic, bro. See, Tessie, I kind of tried to approach that low there, but it didn't get it. I'm not creating a 3D mold and auctioning it off for charity. If we auctioned it off for charity, maybe we could do that. Maybe we could do that. Let's see. A mold of what? My ankles. Just add it to the OnlyFans account. I don't even have the OnlyFans account. It's one of you guys. Look, I'm pretty sure if I type it in, like STV's ankles, like I'm pretty sure it's still there out there somewhere. I can't find it, but it's floating around there somewhere with a picture of me and my ankles. It's really weird. Off to your full-time job. Have a great weekend, everyone. You too, Tabasco Dave. I wonder how many followers it has. Dude, I don't know. I don't think anybody ever did because we knew it was a joke because the whole thing was Gabe said it. He was like, the first person to make an OnlyFans of my ankles gets like a free month of 1348. Or it was some deal that like you're the first person to do it. And then there was a bunch of them. Everybody created OnlyFans accounts on my ankles. So there's a few floating around. You guys are so strange, bro. Let's see. That account will put my kids through college one day. Oh, from my ankles? You're welcome. You're welcome, I guess. There's a left and a right one. Oh, that's interesting. That is very interesting. All right, guys, I got to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. So again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. I got to run very quick to use the restroom. But team, remember, 3-week free trial for platform. It's going to 2 weeks next month. If you guys want to get in there and test out all the awesome tools that we have and make sure that you're locked in at the current price, because in the future, it will be going up. There's the link right there. It's also in the top of the live chat. If you missed it, give me like 2 seconds. I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Good afternoon. Don't lie, you have a private ankle OnlyFans appointment? No. Why are you guys what are these numbers? Hold on. What is going on here? Spy, Flicker. Nothing too much, man. Nothing too crazy going on over here. I'll put new ankle shots to OnlyFans. No, bro. Let's see. Let's see. 6? Why are we just throwing random numbers in the live chat? That's kind of weird, don't you think? Make sure you moisturize the ankles. Bro, you guys are so strange. It's okay. I still love you. All right, let's see. Spy fucking around, not doing a whole lot. It's the number of ankle screenshots we have favorited. Jesus. What would I look for a reversal on Apple? It's not going to do. This is, I would not take this. My favorite reversals are to the downside. I probably wouldn't touch it coming back up. That's just how I like to trade it. Because it can easily come up and just get shot right back down. Just for me personally, I like playing them after stocks have run up and then taking them to the downside. I'm just saying, pro tip, moisturize my ankle. Oh, are you an ankle model? Would you know? Apparently, I'm not the only one, I guess. All right, let's see. Netflix. What's up with Netflix? We were talking about that a while ago, weren't we? Wasn't it crossed down? Yeah. Oh, that was nice. Guess where it came to? A level. On average, how many trades do I take a day? It depends. I try to keep it 4 or less. Do blue pill lines update add automatically on the TradingView chart if we're using the 1348 charts? Yep. Yep. Well, you're gonna have to refresh it if he adds a new one, but yes. Sorry, KM, you're getting timed out. We're not doing those penny stocks. That's a rule. Don't What did we just say at the beginning about risk management and all that stuff? Let's see here. Why the move from Discord to platform? Because one, we've always hated Discord. I hate Discord. Like I just don't like the whole Discord platform. It's like it's got this bad connotation, and we have the ability to build something really really awesome for retail traders with this platform. So now that the core has been built, we can continue to expand off of it. There's a lot of different reasons. Patreon's fees are crazy. They screw around with giving people access they're not paying. It's like it's a bunch of nonsense. But again, the platform is going to be so much better than Discord. Trading view on your phone sucks. Yeah, it does. Is 4 trades the max, or have you? Oh, I've definitely done more. Like there have been days where I take like a shitload of trades in a day, but I try not to. Less trades, more profits. Wait for your opportunity and strike. It's like those Teslas today. Those are gnarly. Gilfs are your favorite. It's great, man. Congratulations. Ho, Gorilla, what's up, buddy? SB missed our converse, bro. Hopefully we can catch up soon. Dude, 100%, man. I miss you too, dude. Good to see you back in here, my man. The only reason I like it is because you trade on your phone exclusively for trading view. I just, yeah, I don't like it. You'll learn. All right, man. If that's your preference, it's great, man. I just happen to have a different preference. I'm not gonna hate on you for your preference, Jay Bez. But you know, it is what it is, dude. You can have that preference, and I bet there's a there's a lot of demand, not enough supply, man. So I guess you got to fill the gap in the market. Ha ha ha! Very funny. All right, so you find Weeble on your phone is more easy, dude. I like just trading on a computer, bigger screen. I just like the bigger screen. You and Luke Slowwalker. Oh, Luke, you're on this wave too. I'm not hating. I'm not hating. If you like grandmas, that's cool, man. Good for you. It's okay. Dude, do what you want to do. Effie loves those big screens, and we all know why. Arvind? Why? You love them? Luke, you can't. Guys, bro, we can't be. All right, team. I understand that you guys have your preferences sometimes, and like, I understand. I get it. And I also have to realize that I'm dealing with a bunch of people that like to stare at my ankles all the time. It is what it is. And I really wouldn't. I get in that mood once or twice a year. Whoa, 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 guys. First of all, this is my one question. This is my one question that I have for Luke. That's okay. For me, no. For you, sure. You can have them. This is my one question though. Where do you find them? Like, where are you going that there's a high concentration of people that fit that description? Like, where I go all the time, no. Like, I rarely see anybody that's over 30. Like, where are you going? Fucking bingo night? Like, what? Bingo. There you go. The grocery store, retirement homes, nursing homes. Great, guys. Awesome. Never in my life have I thought, I'm going to go pick up women at the nursing home. So, yep, that just hasn't been a thought that's crossed my mind, man. It's okay. I mean, yeah, like if you think that on my Friday night, I'm going to go, this chat took a turn, dude. I don't know how we got on here. The library? STV's apartment building? Topic, Jesus. Gotta diversify your portfolio. Um, the theta decay on that is just too high, man. I mean, it's getting close to expiration, dude. You're trading like 0 days. Sorry. Was that too much? Was that too harsh? All right, you're looking at an Apple 135 call for January. Why, Dimmelton? Nothing on the charts telling you that that's realistic. Like, look, I mean, what you could be saying is, I want to play the bounce off of here, but then you're risking a break of this level, which is fine. It's hard to time bottoms though. Church, you're not going to find them at church. Well, real church, yes. Wasn't trying to give away the whole game though, bro. Come on, dude. You can't leave him alone at church, bro. Leave him alone. Guys, leave the old ladies alone. Why can't we just be respectful? I say one thing about like me going to mini golf and like having a good time. You guys make all sorts of comments. Then you're saying, "Oh, let me see your ankles, kid." And then it's like, "Oh, we're talking about grandmas." Like, we can't. This is why we damn SUV. That's cold, but buddy, 0 days. Yeah, the theta decay is ramping up. 30 days to expiration is when you start to see theta really pick up, man. Be careful. You might be 0 or hero in that one. All right, team. Keep hitting the like button on the way in. This is getting a little SPY's peeking its head up a little bit here. Let's see. This is what you get for telling us no trades after 1. Fair enough. Fair enough, man. Hold on. We're getting some notices over here on Twitter. Oh, just kidding. It was Discord. It wasn't Twitter. That's wrong. Did I stutter? There I did. But before, no. Netflix popping back up a little bit here. The morning streams are always laser focused. The afternoon streams go sideways sometimes. It's also a Friday, and you guys brought up grandmas. So I guess that's what we're talking about here. 22% on Microsoft. Nice. Made 13% on Invictus coin play based off the rimming strategy. Going to church with some Cougars now. Thanks, 1348. Damn, Nico. Congratulations, buddy. I know. I need to make another stop at church at some point. Church is fun. Stop, guys. This is why I pay $69 for this. All right, watch SPY at VWAP. SPY jumping a little. Nvidia's at VWAP. Apple's shooting to the 48. 2 minutes to go on these candles. Let's see. Dating tips from the VIX? Only tips from me, bro. All right. In your opinion, what was the main number of reports? Well, for reports about the causes drop from 405. It wasn't a number. It was just uncertainty. That's all it was. And he just reiterated everything that he said. But the problem was that people were expecting him to come out and say the exact opposite, which didn't make any sense for him to do so. But people were still thinking it, which they were trying to put their money where their mouth is. And then they all got dumped on. Please, Santa, can I have a 1 hour crime candle knife on SPY, please? These weren't enough for you? Hold on. Let me get this back over here. These weren't enough? Where's the 1 hour? These knife candles weren't enough for you? Let's see here. Mandy? Oh, I forgot about Mandy. Dude, we still never figured out who that was. Like, we kind of did, but it was, like, fake. I thought it was one person that we met one time, and I was like, "There's no way that the," and then it wasn't, and it was so confusing. You want the end of day on a knife candle? It might, man. Get exclusive dating tips? Guys, I'm not gonna be doing that for you. Just like don't be a shithead, I feel like. I feel like that's easy. Just don't be a shithead. Why are you asking me? Hit the like button. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. All right. Yeah, things are slowing down a little bit here. I mean, SPY does look like it could. Ah, here it goes. Are we gonna get one of those nonsense afternoon rallies? Ooh, that'd be fun. Friday tips from the VIX. I mean, we could do some life tips. Don't cut your hands on Tito's bottles on the Super Bowl. Don't accidentally smuggle coca leaves. That's a good one to know. Knife. You might get it, but it's looking like it wants to hunt VWAP here. If it gets above VWAP and mounts it, you could be on your way up to 385. No metal in the microwave. That's a good one, which you guys also tried to get me to do one time. Assholes. Accidentally. You guys have heard that story before. You guys were like, let's just put tinfoil in Vix's microwave at college. And that I already knew not to do. Don't dislocate grandma's hip. Jesus, guys. This is why we can't have nice things. Let's see. It's getting dark as shit over here, too. What else? I feel like we've learned some interesting things live on the stream. Some metal can legit go in it. I don't care, bro. I don't trust any of you. I don't trust any of you. Yeah, let's see. You got 2 minutes left on this candle. It's probably not going to get above view up on this one. It's made a nice move. It might pitter patter around here, retest 382.50, and then do something. Isn't that Boston every day? That shouldn't be. Dude, you guys are like literally murdering the like button today. Thank you. You're about to have more likes than concurrent viewers right now. NSX and Stacy, sorry, any mentions of these penny stocks that are getting pumped on all this nonsense, they're gonna get timed out. Sorry, there is no free speech in the live chat over here when it comes to penny stocks or people getting led to the slaughter on potential or high potential pump and dumps. Be very careful, please. And Stacy, I know you're in here for a while, but that's the rule. It applies to everybody. Let's see. -1. All right, let's see. Only tickers like Rick. How is Rick doing today? Rick, finally a green day out of Rick. Oh, it was green yesterday. Cool. NVIDIA cross up. It's right below VWAP though. Right below VWAP. Let's see. When you're entering a trade, you do a bid or mid. I always try to get filled at the mid. If I can't, I'll step it up a little bit. As we got trust issues now. I always have trust issues, bro. That's like the all of 2022. I don't trust you. I don't trust anybody. Zero. Got your Weeble account set up? Nice, Thomas. You mean 2020 part 3? Nah. I mean 2022. Not even the grannies? Nah, bro. Especially the grannies. You don't trust your mom? Okay, but that's taking it a bit far. I only trust the charts, and even that's been betraying me recently. Don't trust anybody. Let's say. Damn. What, Luke? Would you shoot your shot at one of the grandmas you were talking to just now and you got rejected? It's tough, man. I mean, you could just talk shit and be like, well, I'm however old I am. You're theta decaying. Leo, no. Misbehaved. Never. Jesus. All right, guys. You guys might do it today. More likes than concurrent viewers. We've done that a few times in the past. They love you. Oh, God. Guys. You can't be doing that nonsense. Leo gets timed out. No, he's just, that won't get timed out, but it's just annoying. We had that one day where it was all about, hey there, Delilah. And then, nope, never again. All right, here's the retest. So now you're seeing it retest the 382.50-ish zone. So let's see if it wants to base here and then get the pop into close. Oh, hold on. Hello. At the no, I'll sell at the mid. I'll use limits to get out unless it's a stop that gets hit. Like today on the Tesla one that was up like 150%. That was a stop that got hit. So it got filled 3 cents lower than 150%. So what was it? Like 147%? Stop. We're not doing the Muffin Man stuff either. I don't trust Squirrel. I don't trust. No, I don't know. It's like 1 to 2% a day. Thomas, that's what you need, buddy. All right. Let's see. Dude, it's so rainy over here. Oh, we missed it. So it flashed. So now it's teetering at 382.50. If this candle closes above, you might see it. You might see it get a little bit of a blast off into close. Let's see. Sorry for ruining your mood. You're fine. Hello, Vix. What's up, Bob? How you doing, buddy? You guys are all screaming for the knife. I don't think you're getting it. I think it's done what it needed to do today. One 0.5% a day? Thomas, that's perfectly fine, dude. Perfectly fine. Slow grind? You're fine, buddy. Could bounce right at the EMAs. That's kind of what I'm thinking too, but Let's see. I don't think they. When did? It's pushing a. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Does it want to do it? Okay, winning loser, maybe. Maybe. Call signal on SPY. Yeah, it got the cross up. How's Invictus doing over here? 57%. Yeah, so some of these reversed as it was coming up. So you saw this move up on the SPY. It sharked and then came back up. I don't think you're getting more knife, buddy. I don't think you are. I think it's done what it needed to do today. Leo, stop. All right, let's see. Whoa, what the? Moto. All right, we're gonna. Oh, here it comes. So if this next candle can do the VWAP close, it might take 2 or 3 of them to get up here, and then it starts to get a little action into close. But again, guys, there's only 50 minutes left in the day today. I'd be very careful with taking any trades right now. SPY has more left than most of Luke's girlfriends. Oh my God, Chris. That is a rough joke there, dude. Jesus. You guys are just heartless today. That's it. I'm shorting power hour. All right. All right, guys. Here's what we're going to do. We are probably going to wrap up the live stream for today. Everybody, I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Remember, team, the 3-week free trial for platform is still live. Not for long, though. Time is running out for that. Remember, all of you guys that were considering getting lifetime, today is the last day to get it at the $13.48 price. Until the price, and then the price is going to go up. But again, UOGs are going to be able to get access to that code. But team, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Have a great weekend. We're going to be streaming from a different location next week. But I'll see you later. Have a great weekend. Oh, also, guys, make sure you guys go watch the reversal video and the whatchamacallit. The risk management video. Those are going to be very helpful for you guys. So other than that, everybody, see you later. Peace.